Now, if you've managed to get the new SafetyQuip product catalogue, you may have noticed this new half mask respirator that I'm holding here. It's a 3M product in the catalogue here. It's this bit here, the top half of the page. This is known as the HF-800SD respirator. It's a brand new product. It's a premium respirator, and it's got a number of great features. So it's got a few good features. One is this bit here is what we call a speech diaphragm. So when I put the respirator on in a moment, you'll be able to hear me talking much better than what you would in a traditional half mask respirator. It's got this button here is this is a seal check feature. So when you put a respirator on, you want to check that it's sort of fitting on your face properly and that it's actually sealing. Normally you would have to block the air intake into the filters to be able to do that. You have to hold your hands there, and maybe you get that right, maybe you don't. This is much easier to do the seal check. Hey, you just simply press the button and it blocks the air coming in through the filters. These are the filters on the side. There's one on each side. So excellent little feature. This feature on the bottom here, this is the exhalation valve. So when you breathe out through the respirator, the air comes down and is sort of pushed down. As opposed to a lot of respirators have the exhalation valve on the front somewhere, which can be problematic with eye protection. So if you've got safety glasses or goggles or whatever, they're more susceptible to fogging if the exhalation valve is higher up on the respirator. You know, great little design feature. Now, the filters themselves, you notice they're swooshed back away. So the vision out of, you know, when you're wearing the respirator is so much better because the filters are sort of further back. Now the filters themselves, this is the P2, P3 filter. Now they're double-sided, so the air can come in through each filter. It can come in here, but it can also come in here as well. So there's a very large surface area, so the airflow is much more free, and it's just a lot more comfortable to wear because, you know, when you breathe in, it's just got air coming in, you know, from a large surface area. Great little feature. So I'll put it on and then I'll talk, and I'll also demonstrate this, this seal check. So just give me a moment while I put this on.
So hopefully you can hear me on the video. It's obviously not as great as when I'm talking normally, but it's so much better than most other respirators in that regard. I'm going to demonstrate the fit test now. So
you can see the mask kind of collapsing around my face when I was breathing in whilst doing the seal check. You know, an amazing little feature. Very soft mask, so it's a silicone face piece. So yeah, it sort of seals to the face really well and super comfortable to wear. It's also like a flexible membrane sort of design as well. So yeah, it seals really well. Great product, the HF-800SD. It's a 3M half mask respirator. Hit us up with any questions. Happy to demonstrate it for you.